This comes from an unknown Reddit user and his story goes terribly wrong. We're gonna change their names for privacy purposes. We'll call him Greg, and we'll call her Sam. Let's get into it. I, Greg, age 24, was in a relationship with my girlfriend Sam, age 24. I met Sam on Tinder, and we had so much in common. I decided to swipe, then we started to chat. After a few months, we decided to meet up in a fancy restaurant, and everything went well. We dated for a while, but I was starting to see that she was always trying to make me go outside and sit for a while. But partly she would go inside and come back after 10 minutes. I decided to follow her into the house to see what she was doing, and she was looking through my things and taking things. This made me mad, so I broke up with her on the spot. I haven't heard from her in a while, and then one day when I was at work, I got ring notifications of motion around my house. When looked at the camera, there was Emma, standing in front of the camera, with my dog and a butcher's knife. She started stabbing my dog over and over, cut him into pieces, and threw him in the garbage. Was horrified and instantly ran to my car and arrived to my house. She was about to leave, but I tackled her. We started to fight just when she was about to stab me. A police officer pulled out his taser and tossed her. He helped me and went to check my house. Everything destroyed and aflame. Burst out and burned my house. I soon realized she put gasoline all over my house and left the gas stove on. Was so mad and sad. We soon went to court and the judge gave me an option if I want her to get life in prison. I instantly said yes, and she went to jail. I now don't trust anyone and got myself up to my feet. I really hope you enjoyed this new type of episode, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.